We have two final types of examples where we will be determining the equation of a new line when we know information about an original line and a relationship to it. So we are in example number 4, given a line 3x plus 2y equals 6. This is my original line. I want to come up with a new line. I know that my new line is going to go through the ordered pair -2, 4, and my new line is going to run parallel to my original line. Well, if I'm going to have parallel lines, I have to know what the slope is for my original one. So I'm going to take my original equation, 3x plus 2y equals 6, and solve that equation for y. I'll subtract 3x from both sides of the equal sign. So I'll have 2y equals -3x plus 6. I'll divide every term by 2. And that will lead me to y equals -3 over 2x plus, and then 6 divided by 2 is 3. The information I need from that equation is my slope, which is -3 over 2. I'll move from there to now working with my information that I have an x1 and a y1, and I'm going to use this slope in my point slope equation. So y minus y1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x1. I'll substitute in y minus 4 from my y1. I have -3 over 2 as my slope, and then x minus the x1, which is a 2. And I want to simplify that double negative. So I'll take my step and change that to x plus 2. I now need to remove the parentheses. To do that, I will distribute, taking -3/2 times 2, times x, and then -3/2 times 2. Taking -3/2 times x is -3/2 x. And then off to the side, I'll work on multiplying -3 over 2 times 2. I'm going to put it over 1. Some of you might see that the 2's could cancel. You could do that. Some of you might not see that, so you can just multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and then divide. I get -3 for that answer. I'm going to put that right here, and that's how the parentheses is removed. Finally, I need to add 4 to both sides of the equal sign. You want to be sure to line it up underneath its like term. And that leaves me with my new equation, y equals -3/2 x, and then +4 and -3 would combine to +1. So y equals -3/2 x plus 1 would be parallel to my original problem. So it's not the same line. And ordered pair -2, 4 would be a point on my new line, not my original line.